The fact that we got an overbought reading on the RSI indicator here during this rally, from my standpoint, does confirm that bulls have recaptured momentum in this market. I mean, check out this monthly chart. The big move's coming. I don't know what it's going to be, but the last time the Bollinger Bands were this narrow on crude oil, I mean, probably back here in 2018, you had that rally and then a big drop. We're probably even more narrow than that. In fact, I would argue, yeah, because this was what, 10, about a $13 difference. And right now you have, I guess it's 20. Okay, well, it was pretty narrow back here too, and you saw it was a big collapse in 2014. So just keep an eye on that because if this breaks higher, the Fed is going to be in big trouble. Um, Energy names PBF on the retreat. Matador Resources holding up pretty well. And then you have Viper Energy. That keeps making new highs. So that looks pretty good. I like the price action on this one. And then we've talked about Marathon Oil. That's down a little bit, but comfortably above its stop loss. SM, similar story. So none of the selling seems to be that vicious just yet. Not a lot of volume today in the overall market. We've also been watching CVI. That one technically didn't trigger, and I think it was you go to options that had this. And so, keep an eye on this one. I think you sold. You said you were going to sell, but it technically never triggered. Hmm. I wouldn't really worry about these pullbacks just yet. Yeah, to me, it seems like it's just a corrective decline. I'm looking for a higher low to form here, especially with seeing the lead on the breakout compared to crude oil. That's not a bearish sign. Precious metals. So gold, another new all-time high. It did exceed that short-term upside target that I had. It's actually back in there. It was like 2320, 2360. So it's a couple bucks above there. Silver making a new high. Did we take out that high from 2020 yet?